Are you searching for the best bench drilling machine? In this video, we will look at the 5 best bench drilling machine, which save you time and money. Number 1, ALLSOME 6-speed benchtop drill press drilling machine. Product is good, however one of the laser lines was off-center. Until then everything is fine. They even send an Allen key to calibrate the lines, however it is necessary to remove the fairings to do this. 2 holes would make the job easier.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 2. NovelLife Mini Drill Press Precision CNC Table Drilling Machine. Mini Drill Press Precision CNC Table Drilling Machine. Portable benchtop driller. 795 motor B10 chuck metal wooden DIY crafts tool. This is a 2-in-1 mini machine. Supports standard drilling works, and when installed the 2-axis sliding worktable will also do milling works. It has solid metal structure and 795 motor ensure powerful drilling capacity and B10 drill chuck compatible for 0.6 to 6 mm HSS drill bits. It is equipped with 3 metal axes, 2 liner bearings, dual spring and limit lever ensure precision drilling. Compatible size and dual expansion slots on the base enable you to install the expansion parts. 2-axis sliding worktable and 1 fine-tuning knob enable you to do CNC drilling projects as well.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 3. ARROWMAX Mini Electric Drill. SDS Mini Plus Mini Electric Drill Pen with benchtop press make crafts easier and more enjoyable. SDS Mini is suitable for thinner materials such as wood, acrylic, plastic, aluminum, coins, PCB, craft carving, jewelry making and DIY.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. ALLSOME Electric Bench Stand Drill Press Drilling Machine. Features: can be widely used model, wood boards, plastic sheeting, aluminum, composite panels, resin panels, thin metal, circuit boards, precision machining of hard materials and other non-specific drilling, is hardware processing, mold making, document binding, electronic manufacturers, scientific experiments and other units of the ideal tool.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 5. VEVOR 1100W Magnetic Drill Press. The portable drill press features a detachable, integrated coolant system that will help significantly increase the life expectancy of your drill bits as well as your cutters. What's more, dust-proof air inlets and exhaust air holes for temperature reduction. 3 extended crank rods allow you to adjust the drill up and down with minimum effort. Ergonomically handles for easy carrying. Besides, a simple control panel allows easy operation.
Orders. Reviews. Rating. Price. Price may be changed at any time.